Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to walk you through how to work with tasks in Confluence. First, click on Project Risk in the left sidebar to open the page where you want to add a task. The page loads in edit mode with a text placeholder that says, type / to insert elements. Click into the page body to place your cursor there. You can start typing your task description immediately or use the / command to add other elements. You'll see an Add Teammate to Confluence suggestion appear below your text. Click that suggestion. This opens a search field where you can find the person you want to mention. An Add People to Confluence dialog opens with an Add button at the bottom. Click Add to invite them to the space. This gives them the access they need to see the mention and respond to the task. The page updates and the mention is converted to a link in the body where you typed it. Your teammate's name now appears as a clickable blue link. Your changes save automatically, and a saved status appears in the top bar with a timestamp showing when the page task list edited. When you're ready to make the page visible to others, click the Publish button in the top bar to open the Publish menu. A Publish Page dialog appears with a Publish button. Click it to publish your page with the task assigned to your teammate. If you need to reassign a task after publishing, just edit the page and mention a different teammate in the same way. You can also add multiple tasks to a single page by repeating the mention process for each one. To remove someone's access later, go to the space settings and manage people from there. And that's how to work with tasks in Confluence. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.